Good morning, student. In the last class, we have discussed the problems, random variable, and binomial distribution, normal distributions. Now, next, the remaining topics we have to be our Poisson distributions. Okay, next definition of the Poisson distribution. The Poisson is a discrete data, discrete distribution situation where the random variable can take integer value. Mean of the Poisson equal to lambda. Variance equal to also lambda. Standard deviation is nothing but square root of variance. The square root of lambda is equal to square root of lambda. The probability distribution function of Poisson distribution P of capital X equal to small x e to the power minus lambda, lambda power x divided by x factorial, x equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. till infinity. Mean NP variance lambda, standard deviation root of lambda. The recurrence formula for the Poisson distribution P of capital X equal to small x plus 1 is equal to lambda t divided by x plus 1 into P of capital X equal to small x. Moment generating function e to the power lambda into e power lambda minus 1. Next, uniform distribution. A continuous random variable capital X with a parameter A and B is uniform if its probability density function f of x equal to 1 by b minus a less than x less than b, x varying from a to b, the probability density function, it is a continuous case, f of x equal to 1 by upper limit minus lower limit. Mean of the uniform distribution a plus b divided by 2. Variance equal to b minus a the whole square divided by 12. The standard deviation is nothing but square root of variance, that is b minus a divided by square root of 12. Moment generating function mx of t equal to e to the power bt minus e to the power at divided by t into b minus a. Next, exponential distribution. A continuous random variable capital X has an exponential distribution if its probability density function f of x equal to lambda e to the power minus lambda x, x greater than or equal to 0. Mean of the exponential distribution 1 by lambda, variance equal to 1 by lambda square, standard deviation equal to 1 by lambda, moment generating function lambda divided by lambda minus t. Next, normal distribution. The probability density function of normal distribution f of x equal to 1 by sigma root of 2 pi pi into e to the power minus 1 by 2 into x minus mu divided by sigma the whole square, x varying from minus infinity to plus infinity. The moment generating function of normal distribution mx of t is equal to e to the power mu t plus t square sigma square by 2. Mean mu, the second moment e of x square equal to mu square plus sigma square, variance equal to sigma square. Now we have discussed some important problems. Okay. The first question is, okay, the probability density function of the random variable is given by, once again, please wait. The probability density function of random variable is given by f of x equal to x square. F of x equal to x square varying from minus 1 to plus 1, otherwise 0. Find the percentage of the probability minus 1 by 3 to plus 1 by 3. Find the percentage of the probability minus 1 by 3 to plus 1 by 3. Now, what is given? F of x. the probability density function f of x is equal to 2x minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to plus 1. Find p of minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1 by 3 is equal to integral over minus 1 by 3 integral over minus 1 by 3 to plus 1 by 3. Oh, sorry, this is the x square, not a x square. Okay, x square into dx. X square into dx. So x square is a even function. Even function can be written as 2 times 0 to infinity, 2 times 0 to 1 by 3, because minus 1 by 3 to plus 1 by 3 can be written as 2 times 0 to 1 by 3, because x square is a even. X square into dx, x square into dx is equal to 2 integral of x square, x cube by 3, x cube by 3, 0 to 1 by 3. So first put the upper limit. So 2 divided by 3 is constant, take outside, is equal to x cube, upper limit 1 by 3, 1 by 3 the whole cube, 1 by 3 the whole cube minus lower limit 0. What is the 1 by 3? 2 divided by 3, 2 divided by 3, 1 by 3 is nothing but 1 by 3 to the power 3 is nothing but 27 is equal to 2 divided by 3 into 27, 81. What is the problem? What percentage is the amount? So 2 by 81 into 100 percentage. So 2 divided by 81, what is the value? So 2 divided by 81 is equal to 0.0246 into 100 is equal to 2.46 is equal to 2.469. So corrected value 2.47, 2 decimal values. Corrected to 2.47. Option B is the correct questions. A random variable is uniformly distributed over the interval 2 to 10. What is given? Uniform distributed in the interval 2 to 10. What is the variance? Okay, so 2 to 10. Here x is uniformly distributed. X follows uniformly distributed 2 to 10. 2 to 10. 2 to 10. So mean is equal to a plus b divided by 2. Mean equal to a plus b divided by 2. Variance equal to b minus a. B minus a the whole square. B minus a the whole square divided by 12. What is the upper limit variance? Is equal to b 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2 the whole square divided by 12. What is the 10 minus 2? 8. 8 square 64. 64 divided by 12 is equal to 64 divided by 4. 4 table 16 times 16. So 16 divided by 3 4s are 12. So 16 by 3. Variance equal to 16 by 3. Option A is the correct one. Next one. If x is uniformly distributed random variable, then take the value 0 and 1. 0 and 1, the value of expectation of x cube. Here f of x is nothing but given x follows uniformly distributed in the interval 0 to 1. 0 to 1, the probability density function f of x equal to 1 by upper limit minus lower limit, 1 minus 0, 1 by 1 minus 0, 1 is equal to 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. So f of x is equal to 1 probability density function. What is the problems? Expectation of x cube. Expectation of x cube is equal to integral over 0 to 1. Integral over 0 to 1. So x cube into f of x. What is the f of x? F of x is 1. So x cube into 1 x cube. Integral of x cube is equal to x to the power 4 divided by 4. X to the power 4 divided by 4. 0 to 1. So first put in the upper limit 1 by 4, lower limit 0. This is the, okay. What is the questions? Expectation of x cube. So expectation of x cube equal to 1 divided by 4. 1 divided by 4. Option C is the correct one. Next, a random variable is uniformly distributed over the interval 2 to 10. Find the value. Okay, now only this will be discussed. Okay, this is already exist. The standard deviation of uniformly distributed random variable 0 to 1 is. Okay, so x follows uniformly distributed. X follows uniform in the interval 0 to 1. Okay, what is the first? Find the variance. So variance equal to b minus a 1 minus 0 divided by 12. B minus a the whole square divided by 12, 1 by 12. Standard deviation is nothing but square root of variance. Square root of variance of x is equal to 1 by square root of 12. 1 by square root of 12. This is the standard deviation. 1 by square root of 12 is the standard deviation of the uniform distribution. Next, if x and y be two independent random variables. So this is a very important statement. Two independent random variable. If x and y are independent random variable, means expectation of xy is equal to expectation of x into expectation of y. Which one of the relation between the expectation E and the variance and the covariance given below is false? The first statement, expectation of xy equal to E of x into E of y when x and y are independent. Okay, the first statement is correct. So covariant of xy is 0 when x and y are independent. Also correct statement. Also the corrected statement. Next, the variance of x plus y is equal to variance of x plus variance of y. Also correct when x and y are independent. Now here, expectation of x square into y square is given, but here what is given? Expectation of x the whole square is given, expectation of y the whole square is given. This is also, I think this will be wrong. So expectation of x square only, not the expectation of x the whole square. Okay. So option D is the wrong statement. Okay. Okay. Next. Probability density function of P of x. Probability density function. Actually, always probability density function is denoted by f of x. Okay, no problem. Probability density function P of x is a random variable capital X is given below the diagrams. Find the values of alpha. Find the values of alpha. Okay, now what is the diagrams? Like the diagram is given. So the height is equal to alpha. So this is the A. This will be A plus B. A plus C. Yeah, okay, A plus C. Okay, A to A plus C. Okay, what is the height? Height is equal to alpha. What is the base? This is the length, upper limit. A plus C. A plus C. A plus C. A plus C minus A. Cancel is equal to C. So base equal to C. It is the continuous random variable. You know that the probability density function under the area minus infinity to plus infinity f of x into dx equal to what? Is equal to 1. Integral over minus infinity to plus infinity f of x dx equal to 1. Okay, now this is nothing but triangle. This is nothing but triangle. What is the area? This is the area under the curve minus infinity to plus infinity. What is the area of the triangle? Half into base into half into base into height is equal to what? Okay, so half into what is the base A? Half into base height is equal to what? Alpha is equal to 1. So alpha is equal to cross multiplication 2 by A. Okay, alpha. So alpha equal to A alpha equal to 2. What is the questions? Find the values of alpha. Find the values of alpha. So alpha is equal to 2 divided by A. Alpha equal to 2 by A. Okay, sorry. What is the base equal to C only? No, sorry. Base equal to C. Okay, sorry. So 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into alpha into C is equal to 1. Therefore, C alpha equal to so 2 by C. Alpha equal to 2 by C. Okay, this is the correct answer. Alpha equal to okay. Answer A is the correct one. Okay, next. Assume that the duration in minutes telephone conversation follows the exponential distribution. The probability that the conversation will exceed the 5 minutes. What is the probability that the conversation will be exceed 5? The statement is given, it is the exponential distributions. What is the exponential distribution? F of x. F of x is equal to what is exponential distribution? 1 by 5 x to the power 5 is equal to 1 by 5 is equal to 1 by 5 e to the power minus x by 5 minus x by 5 x by 5 x is greater than or equal to 0. X is greater than or equal to 0. Find the exceed 5 minutes. What is the probability that the conversation will be exceed 5 minutes? What is the conditions? So P of x. So P of x conversation is exceed 5, more than 5 minutes. More than 5 minutes. That is equal to integral over 5 to infinity. Integral over 5 to infinity 1 by 5. 1 by 5 e to the power minus x by 5. X by 5 into dx. Into dx. Okay, now integrate. What is the integral of? Okay, 1 by 5 is constant. Take outside 1 by 5. So e to the power minus x divided by 5. E to the power minus x divided by 5. What is the x coefficient? Minus 1 divided by 5. Minus 1 divided by 5. So 0, sorry, 5 to infinity. 5 to infinity. 1 by 5, 1 by 5 cancel. Is equal to, first putting the upper limit, e to the power minus infinity 0 minus, so minus minus become plus, e to the power replace x by 5, so 5 divided by 5 is equal to e to the power minus 1. E to the power minus 1. So e to the power minus 1 is nothing but 1 by e. Okay, that is the option A is the correct answer. Okay. Next, this is also very, very important. Once again, please wait. Let x be a random variable following normal distributions with mean equal to minus 1 and variance equal to 4. X is a random variable, mean 1 and variance 4. Okay, first write down. So mean of the random variable. So mu x. Mu x equal to mean of x equal to 1 and variance 4. Mean of x equal to 1, variance 4. Sigma y. Sigma x is equal to 4. Variance. What is the variance? Sigma square. Next one. Y be there another random variable with mean equal to -1. So mu y. So mu y is equal to -1. What is the standard deviation of y? Sigma y is equal to what? What is the standard deviation of y? Unknown values. Next condition, p of x less than or equal to -1. P of capital X less than or equal to -1 is equal to P of capital Y. P of capital Y is greater than or equal to 2. Greater than or equal to 2. Now, what is the standard normal variate? Z is equal to x minus mu. Z equal to x minus mu divided by sigma for the random variable x. For the random variable y, z equal to y minus mu. Y minus mu x. This is the mu x sigma x. Mu y divided by sigma y. First, convert the standard normal variate. So P. So P of z. So z is less than or equal to what is the value of x? 1. Substitute here 1. So minus 1. What is the mu x? Mu x equal to 1 minus 1 divided by sigma x. Sigma square x equal to 4. Then sigma x is equal to 2. Is equal divided by 2 is equal to P of z. P of z is okay. What is greater than or equal to? Okay, greater than or equal to. So 2 minus y is equal to 2 minus mu y. What is the mu y? Mu y is equal to -1. -1. What will be happen? Minus minus plus 1 divided by sigma y. So P of z less than or equal to -1 -2 divided by 2. -2 divided by 2 is equal to P of z is greater than or equal to 2 plus 1. So 3 divided by sigma y. 3 divided by sigma y. Now P. So P of z. P of z is less than or equal to -1 is equal to P of y. P of z is greater than or equal to 3 by sigma y. 3 by sigma y. Now, what is the meaning? So, it is the binomial distributions. We know that the binomial distribution. So, it is the binomial distribution. Zero. P of z is less than -1. Z is -1, less than -1. This area which is equal to P of z is equal to 1 greater than 1 area, this area. Because it is the symmetric, both are equal only. This will be equal. So this is nothing but because this is the symmetric P of, so z is P of z is greater than or equal to 1 should be equal to P of z. P of z is greater than or equal to 3 by sigma y. Okay, so greater than or equal to. Therefore, 3 divided by sigma y. 3 divided by sigma y is equal to 1. So sigma y is equal to 3. The standard deviation of y is equal to 3. Answer, standard deviation of y is equal to 3 is the correct answer. Okay. This problem we will discuss later. First, we have to complete the simple problems. Let f of x be the continuous probability density function of random variable capital X, the probability density function of A less than X less than B. So it is a continuous case A less than or equal to X less than or equal to B, either A less than X less than B, either A less than or equal to X less than B, either A less than X less than or equal to B. So all are because please. Okay, sorry. Tomorrow. This. Okay. Next. Okay. Come to next problems. A continuous random variable capital X has the probability function f of x equal to k x square plus cx, where k and c are constant for 0 to 1. E of x equal to 1 by 2 for find the values of k and c. Find the values of k and c. Okay, very important questions. We have two problems given, both are gate questions. Okay, first write this f of x. Wait. Okay. F of x equal to, okay. What is the f of x? F of x. Okay. So f of x is equal to kx square, kx square plus cx plus cx, kx square plus cx, 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. Next one, e of x. E of x equal to given 1 by 2. Mean of the random variable is 1 by 2. Find the values of k and c. Okay, first it is a continuous case. We know that the continuous density function minus infinity to plus infinity f of x, f of x, f of x into dx is equal to 0 to 1 k into x square, k into x square, k into x square plus cx, k into x square plus cx into dx is equal to 1. Okay, now integrate. What will be happen is equal to k integral of x square equal to k x cube, k x cube by 3, k x cube by 3 plus c x square, c x square by 2, c x square by 2. So 0 to 1, 0 to 1 is equal to 1. Cross multiplication. Okay, first put in the upper and lower limit. What will be happen? 1. So 1 cube 1, k by 3, k by 3 plus c by 2, c by 2. Lower limit 0 is equal to 1. Cross multiplication 2k. So 2k plus 3c, 2k plus 3c divided by 6. Taking the LCM, we get 6. So this is the one. 2k plus 3c equal to 6. What is the next condition? Expectation of x. Expectation of x is equal to integral over 0 to 1 x into f of x, x into f of x into dx, f of x into dx is equal to, what is the value given? E of x equal to 1 by 2 is given. 1 divided by 2 is given. It implies integral over 0 to 1 x into, what is the f of x? K x square, k x square plus k x square plus cx into dx is equal to 1 by 2, is equal to 1 by 2. implies integral over 0 to 1. So taking the multiplication, k x square into x cube plus c into x square, c into x square into dx is equal to 1 by 2. Now integrate, what will be happen? Integrate is equal to kx to the power 4, k x to the power 4 divided by 4, k x to the power 4 divided by 4 plus c into x cube, divided by 3. 0 to 1 is equal to 1 by 2, Now is equal to first upper limit. What will be happen? K by 4 plus c by 3, is equal to 1 by 2. Cross multiplication, what will be happen? Just take the cross multiplication, 3k. So 3k plus 4c is equal to 4 3s are 12. So 12 by 2 is implies 3k plus 4c, 3k plus 4c equal to 6. This is equation 2. What is the equation 1? 2k 3c, So equation 1 equal to 2k plus 3c is equal to 6. Equation 2 is equal to 3k plus 4c is equal to 6. Now solving this equation 1 and 2, okay, equation 1 into 3, what will be happen? 2 3s are 6k plus 3 3s are 9c is equal to 3 into 6, 18. So equation 2 into 2, 3 into 2, 6k plus 2 into 4, 8c equal to 2 into 6, 12. Subtract these two equations, change the sign and then take the addition. So 6k cancel, 9 minus 8 equal to c is equal to 18 minus 12. 18 minus 12 equal to 18 minus 12 equal to 6. C is equal to 6. Put C equal to 6 in any one of the equations. For example, it's like 2k plus 3 into 6. 3 into 6 is equal to 6. So 2k is equal to 6. 3 into 6 equal to 18. So 2k is equal to 6 minus 18 equal to minus 12. So k is equal to minus 6. Okay, therefore k is equal to minus 6, c equal to plus 6. This is the answer. K equal to, find k and c. So minus 6 comma 6 is the answer. Now same problems also given a plus bx, and also find p of x less than or equal to 5. Okay, p of x is less than or equal to a plus bx. Okay, now wait. What is the function f of x? Ax plus b. Ax plus b. Okay, Ax plus b varying from 0 to 1. F of x, in that case, f of x is equal to a plus bx. F of x equal to a plus bx. A plus bx, 0 less than x less than 1. Next, find the okay, and also if the expected value e of x equal to 2 by 3 is given, e of x, the previous one 1 by 2, e of x equal to 2 divided by 3, 2 by 3, e of x equal to 2 divided by 3, and then find p of x less than or equal to 5. So anyway, we have to first find the a and b and then go to next value. Okay, it is the continuous case, integral over 0 to 1, a plus bx, into dx is equal to 1. So integral over, okay, now integrating, so ax plus bx, integral of x equal to x squared by 2, bx squared by 2, okay, 0 to 1 is equal to 1. First put in upper limit a plus b 1 square 1 by 2, b square b by 2 is equal to 1. Taking the cross multiplication, 2a plus b, 2a plus b whole divided by 2, taking the LCM 2. This is equation 1. What is the next one? E of x. E of x. The expectation of x is equal to what is given? 2 divided by 3 is given. So integral over 0 to 1, 0 to 1, x into a plus bx, a plus bx, a plus bx into dx is equal to 2 by 3. So integral over 0 to 1, 0 to 1 ax, 0 to 1 ax plus bx square into dx is equal to 2 by 3. So integrate, what will be happen? A integral of x equal to x square by 2 plus b x square equal to x cube by 3, x cube by 3, 0 to 1 is equal to 2 by 3, 2 by 3. So a by 2, so a by 2 plus b by 3, a by 2, b by 3 is equal to 2 divided by 3. Now taking the LCM, 3a. So 3a plus 2b by 6. Okay, 6 into 2 divided by 3. Cancel 2 times 4. 3a plus 2b, 3a plus 2b is equal to 2 into 2, 4. What is the first question? A, 2a plus 2b. 2a plus b is equal to 2. The second one, 3a, 2b. So 3a plus 2b is equal to 4. Is equal to 4. Okay. Now equation, this is 1. First equation into 2, what will be happen? 4a. 4a plus 2b is equal to 2 into 2, 4. So 3a plus 2b, 3a plus 2b is equal to 4. Subtract, what? Cancel. So 2a, 2b, 2b cancel. 4a minus 3a equal to a is equal to 4 minus 4, 0. So a is equal to 0. So put a is equal to 0 in this any equation, what will be happen? B is equal to 2. Therefore, the probability density function f of x is equal to a0, so b equal to 2, 2x, 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. Okay, now first next question, p of x less than or equal to 0.5. 0.5 is nothing but 1 by 2. Integral over 0 to 1 by 2. Upper limit 1 by 2, lower limit 0, 2x. 2x into dx is equal to integral of 2x. What will be happen? 2x square by 2. 2x square by 2, 0 to 1 by 2. So 2 cancel, x square, 1 square, 1 by 2 the whole square. 1 by 2 the whole square is equal to 1 by 4. So answer equal to 1 by 4. So A0, B2, A equal to, and then P of x less than 0.5 is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, now next we have discussed some important problems of exponential. Okay. Okay. Okay, the length of a time, a person speak over phone follows exponential distributions with mean equal to 1 by 6. What is the probability that the person will talk between 4 and 8? Okay, well, the statement is given, clearly given, it is the exponential distribution. Speaking phone follows exponential distributions with mean equal to 1 by 6. What is the exponential distribution? The f of x is equal to lambda e to the power minus lambda x. Here lambda is nothing but parameter. So mean of the exponential, mean is equal to 1 by lambda. Mean is equal to 1 by lambda equal to 6. See the questions. The person strip follows exponential distribution with mean equal to 6. What is the mean? Mean of the exponential distribution 1 by lambda. So 1 by lambda equal to 6. What is the lambda? Lambda equal to 1 by 6. Therefore, f of x. Therefore, the probability density function f of x equal to 1 divided by 6 e to the power minus x 1 divided by 6 into x by 6. X is greater than or equal to 0. X is greater than or equal to 0. This is the probability density function of the exponential distribution. What is the probability that the person will talk between 4 to 8 minutes? Okay, find the probability p of between 4 to 8. So p of 4 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 8. 4 to 8 minutes is equal to integral over 4, upper limit 4, lower limit 4, upper limit 8. So 1 by 6 e to the power minus x by 6 e to the power minus x by 6 into dx is equal to 1 by 6 constant. Okay, so take outside is equal to 1 by 6 is constant. Take outside e to the power minus x by 6 e to the power minus x by 6 divided by minus 1 by 6 x coefficient. So 4 to 8. So 1 by 8, 1 by 6, 1 by 6 cancel. So what will be happen is equal to minus e to the power minus x by 6, 4 to 8 is equal to, first put in upper limit, minus e to the power x equal to 8 by 6 minus plus e to the power minus 4 by 6. Okay, first write the positive value. 4 by 6 is nothing but 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 minus e to the power 8 by 6 equal to 4 by 3 minus 4 by 3. This is the probability of the speaking between 4 to 8 minutes. This is the e power 2 by 3 minus e to the power minus 4 by 3 is the speaking between 4 to 8 minutes. Same questions, the exponential speak follows exponential distribution with mean equal to 6. What is the probability that more than 8 minutes? How to find the more than 8 minutes? P of x is greater than or equal to 4. So P of x is greater than or equal to 8. Okay, so more than 8 minutes. Okay, yes, more than 8 minutes is equal to integral over 8 to infinity, 1 by 6 e to the power minus x by 6 into dx. So integrate, what will be happen? 1 by 6 constant. 1 by 6 is constant. 1 by e to the power minus x by e to the power minus x divided by 6 divided by x coefficient minus 1 by 6. So 8 to infinity. 1 by 6 cancel is equal to e to the power minus infinity 0 minus of minus plus e to the power minus 8 by 6. What will be happen is equal to e to the power minus 4 by 3. E to the power minus 4 by 3. So this is the answer, e to the power minus 4 by 3. This is the exponential distributions. Suppose that during rainy season in typical Iceland, the length of the shower has exponential distribution with average 2 minutes. What is the average 2? Average 2 minutes mean 1 by lambda is equal to 2. So 1 by lambda average 1 by lambda is equal to 2. Therefore, lambda is equal to 1 by 2. The probability density function f of x. The probability density function f of x equal to 1 divided by 2 e to the power minus x by 2. X by 2. X by 2. Average 2 means if the shower has already lasted 2 minutes, what is the probability that it will last for at least 1 more minutes? Okay, this is the conditional probability. So p of x is greater than or equal to 2, given that x is greater than or equal to 1. Okay, so the average of 2, the shower has already lasted 2 minutes. What is the probability that it will last at least 1 more minutes? Okay, conditional probability is equal to, this is the memoryless properties problems. So p of x is, so just as differences only we have to find. So greater than 1. So 2 minus 1, 1 only, okay, is equal to integral of 1 to infinity. 1 to infinity, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, e to the power minus x by 2, e to the power minus x by 2 into dx. So 1 by 2, 1 by 2 into e to the power minus x by 2 divided by minus 1 by 2. So 1 to infinity, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 cancel. Upper limit infinity 0, minus of minus plus e to the power minus 1 by 2. E to the power minus 1 by 2 is nothing but e to the power minus 0.5. E to the power 0.5. This is the required answer. E to the power minus 0.5 is the answer. Same things, okay. 2 minutes, more than 3 minutes. Okay, I think sorry, small mistake happening here. Okay, uh, this is a wrong statement. So p of x is greater than or equal to 3, given that p of x is greater than or equal to 1. Okay, now what, 2 minutes, find the probability shower will be there more than 3 minutes, more than 3 minutes. P of x is greater than or equal to 3. Okay. Okay, wait. Okay, now come to. So the MGF of uniform distribution of the random variable x is given by, what is e to the power 5t. What is the MGF of uniform? E to the power bt, e to the power bt minus e to the power at divided by t into b minus a. Okay, so what is the b? B is equal to 5, a equal to 4. So b is equal to 5, a is equal to 4. Okay, find the mean. What is the mean formula? Mean of the uniform distribution, a plus b by 2. What is the a? 5 plus 4. 5 plus 5 plus 4 divided by 2 is equal to 9 by 2. Next one. If x is random variable with moment generating function mx of t is given by, okay, first rewrite the equations. So 2 e power t plus 1. So 81 can be written as 3 to the power 4. So divided by 3. So divided by 3, divided by 3 to the power 4. So P e power t plus 1, P e power t plus 1 to the power 4. What is the n? N equal to 4. So n is equal to 4. What is the P? P is equal to 2 by 3. What is the value of Q? Q is equal to 1 by 3. Find the mean. What is the mean? N into P. NP is equal to 4 into N equal to 4 into P 2 by 3, 8 by 3. What is the variance? So 4 into 2 by 3 into 1 by 3. is equal to 4 into 2, 4 into 2, 8, 3 into 3, 9. So 8 by 9. What is the standard deviation? Square root of 8 by 9. If x is a random variable with moment generating function mx of t is given by e to the power 4 into e power t minus 1. Find its mean. What is the formula? E to the power lambda into e power t minus 1 is equal to Poisson distribution. MGF of the Poisson distribution. Lambda equal to what? 4. So lambda is equal to 4. Therefore, mean of the Poisson lambda. What is the variance? Variance of the Poisson also lambda. What is the standard deviation? Okay, standard deviation is nothing but square root of lambda. Square root of 4 equal to 2. Okay, now come to next one. If x is the random variable with moment generating function is given like this, find p of mu plus sigma. Okay, same question. What is the mu? Mu is nothing but mean. So mean of the Poisson lambda is equal to 2 and sigma variance, sorry, lambda equal to 4. Mean is equal to 4 and sigma standard deviation is equal to square root of 4 equal to 2. So mu plus sigma. So P of x equal to 4 plus 2 equal to 6. P of x equal to 6. What is the formula of binomial distribution? Sorry, what is the Poisson? E to the power minus lambda power x divided by x factorial is equal to e to the power minus 4 into 4 power x. 4 power x divided by x factorial. What is the questions? P of x equal to 6. P of x equal to 6. Just replace x equal to 6 e to the power minus 4 into 4 power 6 divided by 6 factorial. E to the power minus 4 into 4 power 6 divided by 6 factorial. This is the required probabilities. Now, okay. The manufacturing plant, the probability of making a defective board is 0.01. So that in that case, the probability of defective is called success. So P is equal to 0.1. What is the value of Q? Q is equal to 1 minus 0.1 is equal to 0.9. The mean and standard deviation of the defective bolt in the total of 900. What is the n? N is equal to 900. What is the mean? Mean of the mean by using the binomial NP. N equal to 900. N equal to 900 into P equal to 0.1. P is equal to 0.1. So 900 into 0.1 is equal to 90. Mean is equal to 90. Next, standard deviation. First find the variance and then go to standard deviation. So 900 into 0.1 into 0.9. So 0.1 into 0.9 into 900 is equal to 81 is equal to 81 NPQ. What is the standard deviation? Square root of 81. The sigma is equal to square root of 81, 9. Sigma is equal to 9. So mean is equal to 90. Standard deviation equal to 9. Yeah. Next. In an examination paper has 150 multiple choice questions of 1 mark each. Okay, the each correct question having the mark 1. With each question having the 4th choice. Okay, so the correct question 1, the probability, how many possibilities? The correct question is only one question, only one is correct out of 4. So the probability 1/4. The incorrect answer having minus 0.25. So how many incorrect is given? 3 incorrect is given. The probability of incorrect is equal to 3/4. Okay, 3 is incorrect out of 4, so 3/4. Suppose 1,000 students choose all their answer randomly with uniformly. The sum of the total marks obtained all the students. Okay, so first to make the binomial, first to make the probability mass function. So 1 probability 1/4. So 3/4 wrong, answer having minus 0.25. First find the mean of the random variable. So expected mark. So 1 into 1/4. 1 into 1/4 plus minus 0.25 into 3/4. 1 into 1/4, 1/4 plus minus 0.35 into 3/4. Simplify, we get 1/16 marks. Okay, so the total marks expected 150 questions. This is the one questions. The total of 150 question is equal to 1/16 into 150. Simplification, we get 75/8 marks per student. Okay, in the class, how many student is given? 1,000 student is given. So the total mark of 1,000 student equal to 75/8 into 1,000. So 9,375 marks. This is the expected mark. Expected mark of the all the students. Okay. This will be already completed. Okay, always. X is uniformly distributed if X is uniformly distributed random variable mean 1 and variance 4/3. What is the mean? A plus B. A plus B is equal to 1 and variance equal to B minus A. B minus A the whole square. B minus A the whole square divided by 12 is equal to 4/3. Is equal to 4/3. So cancel. 4 3s are 12. 1 3s are 3. 4 4s are 16. B minus A. B minus A the whole square. B minus A the whole square equal to 4 into 4, 16. 16. Okay, A plus B. A plus B is equal to 1. B minus A. B minus A equal to plus or minus 4. First take the positive value. Sum of these two, what will be happen? So 2B is equal to plus or minus. Okay, A plus B. 1 mean equal to 1 variance. Okay. Variance equal to B minus A the whole square by 12. So B minus A is equal to, okay, 16. Now solving this equation, what will be happen? So B plus A. B plus A equal to 1. So B minus A is equal to 4. Sum of what will be happen? Cancel. So 2B is equal to 5. B is equal to 5/2. Similarly, solve this equation, we get A. Okay, and then find the probability mass function. After that, find P of X less than 0. What is the P of X less than 0? X less than 0 is equal to integral over. So the limit is given. The lower limit is, upper limit is 0. I think lower limit we get the minus answer. I think answer will be get minus 1. 4 3 is 16. 16 that one. Okay. So now simplify, we get this answer. Okay, students. Now, today class over. Next class tomorrow. Okay, students, leave the meeting.